Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, find the difference of two arrays. So you are given two zero-indexed integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Return a list answer of size 2 where answer 0 is a list of all distinct integers in nums1, which are not present in nums2. And answer 1 is a list of distinct integer in nums2, which are not present in nums1. Note that the integers in the list may be returned in any order. So let's see the example. So you are given 1, 2, 3, and 2, 4, 6. Output is 1, 3, and 4, 6. Because we don't find 1, 3 in nums2. Only nums1 has 1, 3. So that's why index 0 is 1, 3. On the other hand, we don't find 4, 6 in nums1. Only nums2 has 4, 6. So that's why output is 1, 3, and 4, 6.
Before I start my explanation, so let me introduce my channel. So I create a lot of videos to prepare for technical interviews. I explain all details of all questions in the video, and you can get the code from GitHub for free. So please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Thank you for your support.
Okay, so I believe I don't have to explain detail of this question. So let's jump into the code. To solve this question, I use set twice. So let's say set1 equals set and nums1. So this is because input array has like a duplicate numbers. So just I remove the duplicate numbers. So set2 equals set and then nums2. And let's say diff1 equals set1 minus set2, and diff2 equals set2 minus set1. And then after that, just return. So index 0, we need diff1, and index 1, we need diff2. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, at first I thought I need like a list like this, but it turns out we don't need this list for this question. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of m plus n. So m plus n is a total number of elements in both nums1 and nums2. So this is because we created two sets from two input list. So which are on linear operation. So that's why. And the space complexity is also order of m plus n. This is because so if we put all numbers from nums1 and nums2, that means all numbers are unique. We have to create like a list containing all numbers as a return list. So that's why. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.